In this video, I'll show you how to change the download location in LibreWolf. Start by clicking the application menu, the three lines in the top right corner of the browser, and select Settings. You'll land in the General section. From here, scroll down until you find Files and Applications. Under that section, you'll see Downloads. If you'd rather not scroll, you can also use the search box at the top of the Settings page and type Downloads to jump directly to the relevant options. Next, click Browse and select the folder where you want LibreWolf to save your downloaded files. Once you've chosen a location, the change is applied immediately. You'll also notice an option called Always Ask You Where to Save Files. If this is enabled, LibreWolf will ask you to choose a location every time you download something. If it's disabled, files will automatically be saved to your selected download folder. There's also a setting to delete files downloaded in private browsing when all private windows are closed. You can enable or disable this option depending on your preference, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other LibreWolf guides for more tips and tutorials.